We're at this abandoned looking car wash here in Newport Beach. I don't see anyone here, so I think this is going to be the perfect place to, you know, do a few revs. There's an M4 loop pipe with an SC Project muffler. Hope you guys like it. If you do, let me know down below in the comments. And let's get to it. The bike is warm, so we got a little flame right there. Ooh. Alright guys, we're gonna call it on that. I think it's time to leave because I have revved way too much, and I'm in Newport Beach where I feel like there's not a lot that goes on, and so I don't want to piss people off. Let's get going. I'll see you guys soon. If you like this video, make sure to like it down below. Make sure to comment what you guys think, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.